For 3 decades, the Centre for European Constitutional Law, Themistokles Dimitris Tsatsos Foundation, generates groundbreaking research, implements educational programmes, informs citizens on their rights and the importance of civic participation. In 1995, Dimitris Tsatsos founded the Centre to foster academic research in the fields of Greek, European and comparative public law, the study of institutions and public policies, provide institutional support to public bodies in Greece, developing countries and EU member states, inform on institutional and constitutional developments in Europe. In 1996, the Centre began to transfer its institutional expertise around the world. Since 1998, the Centre provides institutional knowledge to government agencies and public administration officials in the Balkan countries as they make their first steps as independent states. In the following years, the Centre's activities extended to countries in the Middle East, Central Asia and Africa. The project, Training of Cyprus Civil Service Organisations on Specialised European Union Issues, was a key milestone in institution building as it strengthened the administrative capacity of the Republic of Cyprus. Over the last 15 years, the Centre has engaged in research activities in Europe, focusing on the fundamental rights of EU citizens. The activities carried out cover gender equality, equal treatment and diversity, the rights of persons with disabilities, the rights of refugees, immigrants and vulnerable groups, the rights of suspects, accused, detainees and victims, personal data, combating racism and hate speech, training judges and lawyers. The Centre has placed great emphasis on the protection and enforcement of human rights, with particular focus on protecting the rights of people with disabilities. The Centre's contribution to the field of rights protection has been enhanced during the last 15 years by its role as the national contact point for the Fundamental Rights Network, coordinated by the EU Fundamental Rights Agency. The National Contact Point is a mechanism for monitoring developments on fundamental rights issues at the national level. The Centre participates in international forums aimed at the protection of rights, transparency and international cooperation. The Centre contributes to the dialogue on institutional and political developments at national and European levels by organising international conferences and workshops. The academic book series published by the Centre and the seminars it organises are an important contribution to the legal and academic fields. The Centre, in collaboration with the Institute for European Constitutional Studies of the University of Hagen, Germany, confers every 2 years the Dimitris Tsatsos Prize to personalities for their outstanding achievements in the field of European constitutional studies and the promotion of the European ideal. In 2018, the Centre, in collaboration with the Stavros Niarchos Foundation, launched the Young Citizens and the Constitution programme to provide young citizens with up-to-date knowledge on constitutional rights and enhance their trust in democracy and the rule of law. As part of this programme, in 2019, the Observatory for Institutional and Constitutional Developments, Syntagma Watch, was established to provide civic education on the operation of institutions and the importance of rights. In 2021, the Centre launched a pioneering project, the website epolitia.gr, which hosts the free access quarterly public law electronic journal, ePolitia, and free access ebooks. In 3 decades, the Centre has gained multifaceted experience and international recognition, and built infrastructure and a European academic network as it continues to foster public debate on major institutional issues. The Centre for European Constitutional Law is always open to new initiatives for innovative actions and to people who believe in democracy, the welfare state, the European ideal and human rights.